It's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.